Hey, good afternoon. How are you today? I'm very tired. Been working hard, but look what I've got. This came, and this came. It's pretty cool. This one came from China. It's not available in Australia yet, but I got one, so it's really cool too. Let's have a quick look. So, when I opened it up, you get these in it. So you do get a little bit of photo etch. It's only a little bit. So there's just some tiny little bits there. That'd be for the muffler. They look like buckets and some other things. And they're for the ammunition basket, I do believe. And you get a couple of cross decals, not much decals. Looks like you get a little bit of a what is it, a fix-up sort of page. So they did, by the looks of it, leave out some numbers in the actual instructions, and they've tried to fix that up there. They always stuff up the instructions border. They've got to sort that out. But it's a really nice picture on the front, isn't it? I thought that was really nice. I do like their pictures. And they've got some little pictures of the model on the side. And you get a little figure with it, which is cool. He seems alright. So buggered. Been working so hard. And you get all these cool little options. So you've got that one, the 1945 one, and it's got its Flak artillery battalion, sorry. That's the winter one, so that's a really nice camouflage pattern. I like that. That's the one on the cover. And then you've got that sort of squiggly line one, the French one. I don't like the squiggly line camo. I've never liked it. And then you've got the dotted camo one, and that's just a one in 1945. I don't like that camo either, the dotted camo. But I do like that, and that is very nice. So that might be an option, but we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, the moulding is very nice. Like, you've got this, like usual, very crisp sort of border type of moulding. They're very distinct, and they're getting better and better at it. And I did the Panzer J model. And it was great moulding, but the plastic was very cheap, so it looks like they've improved the quality of the plastic. So this plastic looks like it's a lot better quality. It was even better quality than the stuff they used in the T-34 one they did, the Space Armour one. So that is very nice. Bit bodgy there and there. That's okay. So you get quite a fair bit of sprues. It's not like the mini art. I was just thinking about that. It's a bit annoying with mini art. Like, you try and find one part, and you have to go through all these tiny little sprues. It's craziness. But no, it's good to be back to a sort of average kit where they put them all on big sprues. So we get some nice ones. So that's just the back plate. You can see a bit of ejection pin marks there. We've got the mufflers, but it is a nice Panzer. And you can see what I mean by the border moulding. It's very crisp and sort of, I don't know, deep or something. I like it. You get this nice one here. Everything is really nicely detailed. Like, border is getting very good with plastic moulding, I tell you that now. I'm really excited by it. Same with mini art. Mini art's doing really well as well. Border and mini art are very exciting at the moment. That's another kind of muffler. You get two of these. So this is a really good sprue. You get this in the J version as well, and it's got the really nice jerry cans and a lot of other cool little details, like the T34 track. It's got some bolts, see, there. It's just got a lot of cool little things on it, and you get two of them. See a wheel with a rubber bucket. Just cool stuff. So you get two of those. This is the figure. So it's just plastic. And so this is the extra, I suppose, they've put in for this kit. It's not too bad. Like, it's nothing, you know, extraordinary, but it's good too. Like, it's a decent figure. And then we've got this one, but this is for the turret, so that you got the shirts in there. We won't need any of that. The MG's nice. There's shirts in you won't need. And this is the, I suppose, the special one for this kit. And that's the fighting compartment. So it looks like it comes fully molded. You get all that, all these extra bits. So that's nice mountlet. So that would be something you don't get in the others. So this one's back. Oh, I dropped it, sorry. Aren't I good? I get it perfectly sent by this seller from China and I drop it. So that's the ammo. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? What else is on this sprue? So it looks like the gun parts. Yeah, a bit of the fighting compartment. But it looks like, you know, just a lot of the gun parts. These look pretty nice. Everything looks decent, you know, lots of detail and all those things. And I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, this is the actual fighting compartment. Pretty plain, but I think that's just how it was. Alright. And then you get two of these, so it looks like you get the link and length tracks. Yeah, link and length. Those I used them on my J version. The link and length were good. In the J version, they also put in the sort of mini art style pin tracks. They didn't do that in this. So that's just a quick look at the border molding. So that's pretty nice. I like it. So we'll put that back in the box. All those bits. And then what we can do is we can have a look at the instructions. So it's got a nice little history section here that you can read. And it's got some nice pictures that they usually put in, which is good. And then they've got a breakdown of what you get in the kit. Something we just looked at. And you can see that that's why they put in the amendment. It's because they didn't put that X24. So hopefully there's not too many other mistakes they didn't get. So yeah, it looks really easy to build. See, like I'm just going through the mini art one, that's not easy like this. We can have a look at that one next. And yeah, I remember building the J version. It was a good build, it was easy, but there was some good challenges in it as well. Yeah, you see, you're already putting this together. Real easy link and length. You chuck that down, give it a bit of a paint, put the fenders on. Yeah, really easy build. That won't take too long at all. I'll probably have it we could whack that out in under a week. How should I do it? So we've got closed, half closed, or fully open. What would you do? So closed would be like when they're driving about. I don't know what half closed would be, maybe shooting at aeroplanes, and fully open would be shooting at ground targets maybe. Don't know. So this is the weapon. Building the weapon. And you get these nice little photo etch bit with it. See, those bits you get to put on. That'll come up nice. Yeah, we saw all those little bits there. That'll be fun to cut out and clean up. Yeah, then you got and you've got your figure. He looks pretty funky there. And on it goes. So yeah, you'll be able to paint all that separate. Yeah, quite easily by the looks of it. And then you've got some painting options. They do the usual ammo one. So it looks like, you know, MIG does it for them. Wonder how much they get for that. Be a good little contract, wouldn't it? Mini art are my favourite though. I love mini art ones. And that's that. That's where they really need to improve, Border, with their instructions. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.